Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Here we have this beautiful exponential equation. We're going to solve it right away, and the question is 3 to the power of x plus 1 over 3 to the power of x equal to 4 to the power of 4 all over root 3. So how do we find the value of x here? Okay, so let's get started. So we have solution. So we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 over 3 to the power of x equal to 4 over root 3. So what I'm going to do first is to first I'm going to rationalize the right hand side. So we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 over 3 to the power of x equal to 4 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. So we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 over 3 to the power of x equal to 4 root 3 all over 3. So that's what we have. So now we say let a equal to 3 to the power of x. So if a is equal to 3 to the power of x, then this equation now becomes a plus 1 over a equal to 4 root 3 all over 3. So from here we are going to multiply, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3a, okay? So we multiply both sides by 3a. So we have 3a times a plus 3a times 1 over a equal to 3a times 4 root 3 over 3, okay? So we have a cancels a, so this becomes, once this multiplies, you have 3a squared plus 3 equals to 3 and 3 will go. So we have 4 root 3a. So let's write this to quadratic. So we're going to have in quadratic form, and this will give me 3a squared minus 4 root 3a plus 3 equal to 0. So we're going to apply quadratic formula to solve this. So we have a to be equal to 3, and then b will be equal to minus 4 root 3, and then of course c will be equal to 3. So to solve this, we are going to get a to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's see what we get. So we have minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of b squared will be minus 4 root 3 all squared, then minus 4 times 3 times 3. All over 2 times 3. Okay, so this is what we have here. So from here now we have a will be equal to 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of, this will give me 16 times 3. That is 48 minus 36 all over 6. Okay, so I will have to rewrite that line. So I'm going to rewrite this line now to give me a equal to 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 48 minus 36 all over 6. The 6 is from 2 times 3. So we go ahead to further simplify things. We have a equal to 4 root 3 plus or minus, this will give me square root of 48 minus 36 is 12 all over 6. So this will give me A equal to 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 12 will give me 2 root 3. 2 root 3 all over 6. 2 root 3 all over 6. So we have A will be equal to, so if we further reduce things, this will give me 2, if I factor 2 out, I have 2 open brackets, 2 root 3 plus or minus root 3 all over 6. Right? So I have 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So A will give me 2 root 3 plus or minus root 3 all over 3. So there are two values here. So the first value will be A equal to 2 root 3 plus root 3 all over 3, or A will be equal to 2 root 3 minus root 3 all over 3. I hope that is taken. So over here we're going to have A to be equal to, A will be equal to 2 root 3 plus root 3. That will give us 3 root 3. Or A will be equal to 2 root 3 minus root 3. That will give us root 3 over 3. So here you have it, guys. The solution to the quadratic equation. That is for A. But A equal to 3 to the power of x. Alright, so for case 1, we have 3 to the power of x will be equal to 3 root 3. Now, 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of half. So we have 3 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of 1 plus half. So 3 to the power of x will give us 3 to the power of 3 over 2. So by reason of same base, so we have x will be equal to 3 over 2 for the first case. So for the second case, that's case 2, we have 3 to the power of x equal to root 3 all over 3. This is the same thing as saying 3 to the power of x will give us 3 to the power of half over 3 to the power of 1, which will become 3 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. All right. So we have 3 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of minus half. So bases on the same side, on both sides are the same. So x will be minus 1 over 2. Therefore, guys, the result will be x equal to 3 over 2 and x equal to 1 minus, this is minus, please, minus 1 over 2. Yes, these are the values of A, and you know that A, we use A as a substitution, right? So these are the values of x. X equal to 3 over 2, or what we can call 1/2, and then the second value of x is minus 1 over 2. So I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.